Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Singh pursuing BCSE from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and today in this video we will be talking about useful string methods in Python. Python's string methods provide a powerful toolkit for manipulating and working with text data. These methods offer a wide range of functionalities from transforming case to searching and replacing substrings. Uppercase and lowercase method. The upper method converts all characters in a string to uppercase, making it easier to standardize text, whereas the lower method converts all characters in a string to lowercase, which can be useful for case-insensitive comparison. In the code below we can see the word "Hello World" is converted to all capital letters by using string.upper method, and the word is converted to all lower or small letters through string.lower method. Strip method. The strip method removes any or trailing whitespace characters from a string. In the statement or in the code we can see the variable s have two white spaces or two spaces in the end and at the beginning of the word. So these two spaces can be removed by using s.strip method, and we can see in the output both of these spaces are removed. Left strip and right strip. The left strip method removes any leading whitespace characters or character from a string. In the code below we can see the left strip or the left strip method removes the white space, and also if we give any argument in this bracket we can remove the letters also. Likewise, in the right strip method removes any trailing white space characters from a string. In the code below we can see it removes the white spaces from the right side of the word, as well as it removes the letter also if we give them any argument. Split and join method. The split method splits a string into a list of substrings based on a specified delimiter. The join method concatenates a list of strings into a single string using a specified separator. As we can see in the code roots, the variables or the elements in the list are apple, banana and orange. They are all separated by commas. By using join method, we can use them as a single string that are separated by comma, but they will be a single string instead of a list. Replace. If we talk about replace method, substitution and versatility is also a main element of it. The replace method allows us to substitute one or more occurrences of a substring with a new substring. This method is useful for tasks like data cleaning, text normalization, and search and replace operations. In the code below we can see the word "hello world" or the string "the hello world" is replaced by the word "world" is replaced by "universe" by using s.replace method. str.starts with and str.ends with. This method checks whether the string starts with the specified prefix. It returns true if the string begins with the character specified prefix, otherwise it returns false. str.ends with. This method checks whether the string ends with the specified suffix. It returns true if the string ends with the specified suffix, otherwise false. In the code below, we can see s dot ends with world returns true as the word or the string ends with world. On the other hand, it returns false on the s dot ends with hello, Likewise, if we use str.starts with and put in the bracket or give the argument of world, it will return as false because the string is not starting with world. Find and index method. The find method searches for a substring within a string and returns the index of the first occurrence. The index method is similar to find, but it raises a value error if the substring is not found. In the code below s equal hello world, s.find is giving the output of 6. On the other hand, s.index is also giving the same output. But if s.index didn't find the word world, it would raise an error. But on the other hand, the find method would not raise an error. To conclude, these string methods in Python are essential tools for working with text data. They enable you to perform a wide range of string manipulations from transforming case and replacing substrings. Mastering these methods will greatly enhance our ability to work with and process text data in our Python programs. That was all for this video. Thank you.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting